Ano yung bagay na ina-expect mo magiging mahirap para sa atin nung mag-asawa na tayo? Tapos hindi pala.
Parang ito magiging challenge namin. Kailangan namin paghandaan kasi ito yung usual na nangyayari, na negative.
Tapos hindi naman nangyari.
People say na we will fight over finances. Di ba lagi na sinasabi?
Pagkaaway niyo yan.
Nag-away na ba tayo ever because of finances?
Hindi pa naman.
By the grace of God, we won't.
Mga cute disagreement lang. Paano to gagastusin?
Pero hindi yung what we thought. So I believe it is really God. Hindi naman tayo overflowing talaga. Pero we can see God is enough. Kung may bingit na parang ganyan na bingit ba? Si Lord talaga yung nagsusustain. Bigla na lang may darating out of nowhere. God is just so good. Ikaw, meron ka bang ganun?
Sa akin, ha? Akala ko biyanan. Magkakaroon akong problema sa biyanan or ikaw magkakaroon ka ng problema sa parents or family ko. Sobrang thankful ako. Sobrang bait nila mama. Sobrang kasundo kami.
Si Kuya,
Kaya
relax na relax ah.
natatawa siya na nakakapit tayo ng bongga. Parang hinanda ko na yung sarili ko na, parang baka makaaway ko. Because I'm not so kind.
Tsaka that's the common situation kasi.
The enemy is against family. The enemy is against
Yeah.
The
Kaya-
enemy hates marriage.
Legit
Diba?
ang warfare.
So, kung kayong dalawa okay kayo, magdadala ako ng mga outside attacks.
Yeah.
And akala ko talaga, yun yung magiging isa sa problema natin.
Hi guys!
Hi. I think malaking part dahil you have a wisdom as a leader.
Oo.
I believe mo talaga tayo na, okay, they have their opinions, they have their considerations, pero we have to decide base sa what applies sa atin. So I thank you for that and I appreciate it.
Guys, you have to know that when you build your own family, it's another unit. Hi! It's not an extension, but it's another unit. You have the right to decide on your own. We can get wisdom from our families, pero still, at the end of the day, it is the decision of the couple na
right.
dapat mag-prevail.
Which is, you have to also prepare dahil kayo din yung accountable doon. Whatever decision you make. Hindi mo pwedeng i-drug yung family mo to
Yeah.
bear with you.
You cannot blame anyone. Wow, you guys are so brave. Wow, so proud of you. Paano sa'yo? Kaya kahit pa pinush kayo ng ibang tao sa decision making that you do, hindi nyo sila pwedeng i-blame kasi at the end of the day, kayo yung nag-decide niyan. Same thing when you make decisions, hindi talaga din siya pwedeng decision lang ng isa. You have to meet. Hindi siya, ikaw yung may gusto nito eh. It should be the two of
Yeah.
you. Kahit gusto to ng isa pero nagtagbo kayo, gusto nyo na siya parehas
That's
dapat.
right.
Kaya walang blaming na mangyayari.
Parang kapag hindi ka sang-ayon dun sa decision, you have to speak up. Kasi when someone decide, it's considered as both of your
Yeah,
decision.
hindi mo pwedeng sabihin siya lang yun.
Even if siya lang nakapag-decide nun, kailangan mo siyang samahan dun sa consequence ng decision na yun. Kasi wala, nag-isa na kayo.
Yeah.
Kailangan niyo i-bear yung process ng pagtuto ng communication. Kasi it will help you to decide as well. Ma-navigate nyo. Paano nyo mapapagkatiwalaan yung isa't isa. Na laging tanongin yung isa't isa. Paano yung decision natin dito.
Jump daw?
You jump here?
Thank you!